Welcome! Today I am with Lexus Car Key, and today I'll show you how you can open it and how you can change your battery. So at first we have to focus on this object. We have to push this switcher like that. Keep holding, and then we have to put our fingernail in this place, right here. Then remove it. The next step, we will use a thin object in this place. I will use the knife. So we have to start, for example, from this part. As you can see, in my case, it's broken, but you have to start applying this knife right here between these two parts. So for example, I'm going to put it here. And you have to twist it on the left and the right. Right now we have to go for the bottom of that key and do the same. And there it is. Let's remove this part. Right now we can take this one. When you twist, the battery is in this place. To remove, just remove it and then put it back. For sure, the new battery. And you have to remember that you have to put this part, rotate, then put it back like that. Next, just take a look. It's very easy step. And there it is. It's finished. And of course we cannot forget about this one. So put it here. So as you can see, that's how we can open the Lexus Car Key and change the battery. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.